tides of temptation, eat oysters, embrace desire. Could the secret to romance and stamina lie in something as simple as oysters? Meet Giacomo Casanova, the legendary lover of the 18th century who swore by this briny delicacy. Let's dive into the story of oysters' love and why you might want to give this famous aphrodisiac a try.
Chapter 1. The Most Stamina Man, Casanova's Secret. Giacomo Casanova, the Italian adventurer famed for his romantic escapades, didn't rely on charm alone. His energy and stamina came from a rather unique breakfast choice: over 50 oysters every morning. His love for oysters, coupled with an empathetic approach to relationships, made him the ultimate romantic.
Chapter 2. The Oyster Obsession. Why was Casanova so obsessed with oysters? Well, science today might have a few answers for us. Oysters are loaded with zinc, essential for testosterone production, which can enhance libido. A small serving of oysters provides almost 500% of your daily zinc needs. Oysters also contain rare amino acids that may trigger a release of sex hormones. Arginine, found in oysters, is key for nitric oxide production, which helps with blood flow and contributes to stronger vitality. Packed with protein, omega-3s, selenium, and vitamin B12, oysters are nutritional powerhouses with benefits beyond libido.
Chapter 3. The Power of Empathy. But Casanova's secret wasn't just about oysters. He was known for empathy, listening and understanding his partners on a deeper level. His approach shows us that true connection is as much about communication as it is chemistry. By focusing on his partner's needs, he created meaningful connections. Relationships thrive when both people feel understood. Mutual understanding led to fulfilling emotional and physical bonds, something that we can all learn from Casanova. Chapter 4. Additional benefits of oysters. Oysters are rich in taurine, known to boost brain function and potentially lower blood pressure. Just 100 grams contains 1,130 milligrams of taurine, similar to an energy drink. Zinc in oysters also contributes to skin health, helping with elasticity and immunity, potentially preventing skin infections. Chapter 5. Modern implications. While we might not eat 50 oysters for breakfast like Casanova, there are some valuable lessons here. 1. Nutrition matters. A diet rich in zinc and essential nutrients can boost overall vitality. Just 2 to 3 oysters meet your daily zinc needs. 2. Empathy and communication. Focusing on your partner's desires builds stronger connections, both emotionally and physically. And 3. A holistic approach. A balanced diet combined with emotional intelligence may be the secret to a happy and healthy love life.
Chapter 6. Alternatives to oysters. Not a fan of oysters? No problem. Other foods like beef, cashews, and hemp seeds can provide similar benefits. And for those needing a boost, high-quality zinc supplements are an option. Nature-made zinc. Now Foods zinc glycinate. Life Extension zinc caps. Garden of Life raw zinc.
Chapter 7. The Most Famous Aphrodisiac Foods. First, oysters. Oysters top the list for their zinc and dopamine, which can enhance desire. Second, chocolate. Chocolate has mood-elevating compounds like phenylethylamine and serotonin, adding a touch of romance. Third, pomegranates. Pomegranates, known as nature's Viagra, may improve circulation and support heart health. Fourth, avocados. Packed with vitamin E, avocados help promote hormone production. And fifth, watermelon. Watermelon has citrulline, a compound that boosts blood flow for an added benefit.
Chapter 8, Wrap-Up. Casanova's love for oysters and his empathetic nature teach us a lot about maintaining a passionate life. While oysters are powerful, it's the combination of good nutrition and genuine connection that truly matters.
Like this video? Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more health tips. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.